Ultra on the Magnuson 2650. Hey guys, Kirk from Forced Induction Interchillers here. I want to introduce you to our 6th gen Camaro, Cadillac CTS V3 and ATS V plug and play kit. What we've got here is CNC fittings for your liquid line and suction line. We're pre-making all of your hose. We're pre-insulating the suction line so that everything simply bolts up for you. We've got brackets, insulation, dryer with bolts, mounting bolt for the solenoid. Now this solenoid here, what this does, this switch controls the solenoid. The solenoid physically blocks the flow of refrigerant to the cabin via the on-off switch. And what that does, that allows you to run in either cabin and chiller mode or chiller only mode. So when you go to the racetrack, you'll run in chiller only mode. And then in winter time, when you want to be nice and toasty in the car, you put in chiller only mode and you'll have it nice and warm inside the car. You'll be loving it in there. Every kit comes with a free t-shirt, stickers, most importantly, this USB stick. Contained on the USB stick is a step-by-step video showing you how to bolt this on. Okay, just grab your male fitting and then put it into the bottom port on the condenser. Okay, mount your chiller up in the middle of the bar with the 90-degree angle brackets. Okay, so undo your suction line here. Remove the stud and then into that 90 into your block fitting. Now guys, this is so simple, you can do it at home. Optional to the kit, we've got AN12 water fittings. These are push lock fittings. They go on the AN12 ports here. Now, the reason these are optional, guys, is because you can either run AN12 push lock or you might want to run braided hose. Additional to the kit, we've got LT4 spacers, which come with blanket, bolts for the LT4 factory blower, and a PCV extension. These will reduce the blower running temperature by about 30 degrees. Now guys, every 5.4 Fahrenheit that you reduce the intake air temperatures, you're actually picking up 1% oxygen density, and with ignition timing, that's worth 1% more power. So what we're seeing across all of these platforms on your typical, 500, 600 rear wheel horsepower car, we're picking up about 50 rear wheel horsepower on a 75-degree day. We're actually picking up a larger horsepower number on a hotter day. So about a 95-degree day, you'll see about 80 rear wheel horsepower. That's with a stage 1 kit. The reason that gain is higher on a hotter day is because there's a higher retention of horsepower. So if we take the example that the car's say making 500 horsepower, you fit the chiller, you now be about 550 horsepower. On that 95-degree day, now you're going to be 550 still, but if you didn't have the chiller and you're just running a heat exchanger, you wouldn't be 500, you'd be about 470. So with our kit, you're going to take care of your intake temps, you're going to take care of heat soak, you can hot lap the car, lap after lap. We do not impact the cabin AC. Alright guys, it's 92 degrees outside. We're fitted with our interchiller. If you have a look here, we've got a HVAC multimeter in the vent up here, and we're measuring 45 degrees at the vent. So we do not impact the cabin AC, and you can use our kit, either our stage 1 or stage 2 kit. Stage 2 will actually improve the AC over and above factory, but as you can see here, 91, 92 degree day, and we're 45 at the vent. Cabin AC is not impacted at all. You can even option up our stage 2 kit, which is worth even more power and gets even colder temperatures. We hope you guys like this kit as much as we do. Get out there, bolt them on, and let's see some more results.